Go to the official website and download the ISO image of Kali Linux. Once you have downloaded the installation image, you can create a new VM. After creating a new VM, you should configure some additional settings. Select your recently created virtual machine and open the VM settings by clicking the appropriate icon. Go to Display Then Screen and set video memory to 128 MB. This will prevent the installer from hanging. Next, select the checkbox Enable 3D Acceleration. It will be useful for applications that need 3D acceleration and help to avoid performance degradation. Go to Storage and insert your virtual ISO DVD image into the VM's virtual DVD drive, and then boot a virtual machine from that ISO disk. Browse to the Kali Linux installation ISO image that you have downloaded from the official site. Now you can start your new VM and begin the Kali installation. Click the Start button in the VirtualBox window. After booting from a virtual DVD, you will see a boot menu where you can select boot options for Kali Linux, such as boot from live DVD, install, graphical install, etc. Select graphical install and press enter to continue. Choose the language you wish to use for the installation process and the installed system. Enter the hostname for your Linux system, for example, Kali VirtualBox. If you don't use a domain in your network, you may leave this field empty. You can use manual and guided partitioning of disks. For the first time, you can select Guided Use Entire Disk. The entire disk will be used for creating one big partition. Select a preferred partitioning scheme for your virtual disk. Let's select all files in one partition. Check the overview and select Finish Partitioning and write changes to disk. Select the desktop environment for the graphical user interface of Kali Linux. You can use XFCE by default, which is a lightweight choice. When the installation of Kali Linux on VirtualBox is complete, you will see a notification message. Now, you can reboot the virtual machine to boot the Kali Linux installed on the VirtualBox VM. After the reboot, you will see the login screen of Kali Linux. Enter your username and then enter the password set while installing Kali Linux on VirtualBox to sign in. Now you should see the XFCE desktop of Kali Linux installed on your VirtualBox virtual machine. Congratulations!